Creative basswood projects, unique DIY woodworking ideas. Basswood, a versatile and affordable softwood, has long been favored by woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike for its workability, light color, and smooth texture. Unlike many other woods, basswood's even grain and minimal knots make it an ideal choice for a wide variety of woodworking projects. Whether you're an experienced craftsman or a beginner exploring the world of DIY, basswood offers endless opportunities for creativity and design. In this video, we'll dive into some unique basswood projects that you can create in your own workshop or home. One of the most notable qualities of basswood is its light color, a pale cream or light tan that blends well with almost any style. It takes stains, paints, and finishes beautifully, allowing you to customize your pieces however you wish. Whether you choose to leave it natural to highlight the wood's subtle beauty, or you add your personal touch with color and varnish, basswood lends itself wonderfully to both modern and rustic designs. Carved basswood signage. One of the most popular projects for basswood is creating hand-carved signs. Whether you want to make a personalized sign for your home, your garden, or even for a business, basswood is an excellent material. Its smooth texture makes it easier to carve intricate details. You can carve names, inspirational quotes, or even images to create a truly custom piece. Basswood is also light enough to easily hang or mount, making it perfect for signage that needs to be both visually striking and functional. Imagine creating a personalized family name sign for your front door, or a custom garden marker that adds both beauty and organization to your outdoor space. For those who enjoy adding creative touches to their home decor, a hand-carved basswood sign adds a unique rustic charm that modern plastic or metal signs can't replicate. By using simple carving tools, you can create depth and texture in the wood, adding an artisanal look to each piece. The best part is that basswood is easy to work with, so even beginners can successfully create beautiful, detailed carvings. Basswood jewelry. Moving on to a more personal project, basswood is also a fantastic material for crafting handmade jewelry. Basswood's lightweight nature makes it an ideal choice for earrings, necklaces, and bracelets that are both beautiful and comfortable to wear. The soft, creamy color of basswood makes it easy to paint, stain, or varnish, allowing you to create a range of designs that complement your personal style. You can begin by carving simple shapes like geometric earrings or pendants, or go further by adding intricate patterns or detailed engravings. Once you've created your wooden pieces, you can pair them with metal elements like gold or silver findings, beads, or cords to complete your jewelry. The clean finish and subtle grain of basswood provide a perfect backdrop for adding color, and its soft texture makes it enjoyable to work with when creating designs that require a smooth surface. Creating custom basswood jewelry is a rewarding way to hone your woodworking skills while producing wearable art. Whether you're crafting gifts for friends and family or selling your creations at local markets or online, basswood jewelry is both stylish and unique. Basswood picture frames. Another fantastic project is creating custom basswood picture frames. The versatility of basswood allows for easy customization, from simple, sleek frames to ornate, hand-carved designs. Whether you're framing a cherished family photo or a piece of artwork, basswood provides a solid foundation for a high-quality frame that can be made to fit any style or aesthetic. You can keep the frame simple by using minimal sanding and polishing to emphasize the natural grain, or go all out with carving, staining, and adding decorative accents to enhance its character. The natural lightness of basswood means that the frame won't overpower the photograph or artwork you choose to display, but instead will complement it with subtle elegance. Basswood is an especially great choice for rustic or vintage-style decor, and it can also be painted in a variety of colors to match modern or contemporary interiors. Basswood wall art. For those looking to create unique wall decor, basswood is a great material to work with. Its smooth surface is perfect for painting, engraving, or assembling into intricate wall art pieces. A layered basswood wall hanging with multiple slats or carved sections can create an eye-catching 3D effect, giving a modern, sculptural look to your home decor. The possibilities are endless when it comes to designing a custom wall art piece from basswood. You could create geometric patterns, abstract designs, or even add small glass or metal accents to give your creation even more dimension. Basswood is also a wonderful medium for wooden maps or topographical art. If you love creating customized gifts or want to add a personal touch to your living space, carving or engraving a map of your favorite city, country, or even a favorite hiking trail onto basswood can be a great project. The depth and texture you can achieve by carving into the basswood add character, and the final piece will carry a personal, artistic touch that's hard to replicate with other materials. Basswood storage solutions. Basswood is not only great for decorative items, but also for functional storage solutions. If you need a customized storage box, a jewelry box, or even a simple drawer organizer, basswood can be the perfect material. Its strength and lightweight nature make it an ideal choice for creating sturdy yet easy-to-handle storage solutions. Whether you prefer a minimalist design, or you want to add detailed carvings or designs, basswood's soft texture allows for easy modification and transformation. You could create a basswood storage chest for your living room or bedroom, designed to store blankets, books, or other personal items. Or, for a more unique twist, create custom drawer organizers that fit your kitchen, bathroom, or office space perfectly. Basswood's fine grain makes it easy to apply paints, stains, and finishes, so you can match your storage pieces to your existing decor. Basswood as a medium for creative sculptures. One of the most creative projects to consider is basswood sculptures. Whether you're creating a freestanding piece or a wall-mounted sculpture, basswood's lightweight yet durable characteristics make it ideal for carving and assembling into intricate sculptures. From abstract geometric forms to nature-inspired designs, basswood can be shaped into almost any figure you can imagine. A basswood tree sculpture, for example, could be a beautiful and symbolic piece to display in a living room or garden. The texture of the wood combined with careful carving and sanding can make the tree look realistic and detailed. Another option is creating an animal or bird sculpture from basswood, focusing on capturing the fine details of the subject matter. Carving such sculptures requires patience and precision, but the results can be absolutely stunning. Basswood's softness and ease of carving make it one of the best choices for fine art and sculpture work. Basswood for crafting toys. For parents or those who enjoy making handmade gifts, basswood is perfect for crafting wooden toys. The smooth surface of basswood makes it an ideal choice for cutting, carving, and shaping fun toys that children will love. From wooden cars and trains to dollhouses and wooden puzzles, you can create a wide variety of toys using basswood. Cedar wood's aesthetic appeal goes far beyond just furniture and large pieces. It is the perfect material for crafting a wide variety of rustic decor. Think about wooden candle holders, picture frames, or even wall mirrors. Each of these items crafted from cedar brings a unique, earthy charm to your home. The natural grain and rich color of cedar complement both minimalist and eclectic styles, offering that perfect touch of organic beauty to any space. A cedar wood picture frame, for example, can transform an ordinary family photo or a beloved piece of art into something extraordinary. Its rustic, warm, and inviting feel adds depth and character to any room. Cedar's versatility makes it ideal for any room in your home. Whether you're looking to create a cozy, cabin-like atmosphere or add a natural, contemporary touch to your decor, cedar fits perfectly. Its smooth texture, combined with its rich, golden hue and delicate grain patterns, creates an atmosphere of sophistication and warmth. Imagine walking into a room with cedarwood accents, from the walls to furniture, bringing in a piece of nature that adds both beauty and comfort. Its natural fragrance, too, offers an extra layer of warmth, welcoming you into the space every time you enter. The use of cedar in smaller decor items such as candle holders or picture frames helps bring nature into your home in a way that doesn't overwhelm the space. It provides a touch of organic elegance that enhances the overall aesthetic, creating an environment that feels both fresh and timeless. You don't need to overdo it. Just a few carefully placed cedar pieces can have a significant impact, making your space feel welcoming and well thought out. In addition to its stunning aesthetic, cedar is known for its durability and resilience. It's naturally resistant to decay, pests, and moisture, which makes it an ideal material for furniture and decor that will withstand the test of time. Whether you're crafting a rustic coffee table, a handcrafted bookshelf, or even storage solutions, cedar ensures that each piece will not only look beautiful, but also stand strong for many years to come. In conclusion, cedar wood is an exceptional material that combines beauty, durability, and functionality. From crafting custom furniture to creating decor or personalized gifts, cedar's natural properties make it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its rich color, pleasant aroma, and smooth texture provide endless possibilities for creating unique, handcrafted pieces that will be treasured for generations. Whether you're drawn to its rustic charm, its eco-friendly qualities, or its long-lasting appeal, cedar wood offers something for every woodworking project. By incorporating cedar into your projects, you're not just working with a material. You're embracing the timeless beauty of nature and adding a lasting piece of craftsmanship to your home. Cedar's ability to elevate any space with warmth and elegance ensures that it remains a cherished material for years to come. So, whether you're designing a rustic home or looking for unique decor pieces, cedar's versatility and charm make it an outstanding choice for any woodworking endeavor.